I'm Eric with Casey Aviation, and we're looking at November 766 Tango Mike today. This is a 2022 T206 with just 447 hours. It is without a doubt the nicest 206 on the market. Let's step inside and show you more. With this aircraft, you'll fly behind G1000 NXI avionics with the GFC 700 autopilot, GTX 345 transponder, as well as a safe flight AOA indicator and the GI 275 backup attitude indicator. In addition to a beautiful paint scheme, this aircraft has recently been professionally detailed and ceramic coated. This aircraft is simply stunning. The paint is finished in dark pine pearl as well as cumulus gray pearl. In addition, you've got LED lighting all around. As you step back inside, you'll notice a massive cargo door with a useful load of 1,397 pounds as well as M-safe seatbelts inside. Another great thing about the T206 is that the rear seats lay completely flat. You've got nice cup holders, the Kelly Aerospace air conditioning, as well as onboard oxygen. As you can see, 766 Tango Mike is a fantastic option if you want to upgrade into a T206. If you have any questions at all, you can send me an email at eric@flycasey.com or give me a call to find out more. I look forward to hearing from you soon.